Hello everybody. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to request your UTR number online directly from the HMRC website. The UTR, Unique Taxpayer Reference Number, is a reference number that identifies the taxpayer and allows you to submit your tax return. There could be different reasons why you need to file a tax return. It could be that you're self-employed, it could be that you receive income that is not taxed through PAYE, such as dividend for example, or it could be that you're a member of a partnership. Regardless the reason, I will provide all the relevant link below the video, so bear with me. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Savino, I'm a chartered accountant, and the information and knowledge that I will be sharing today actually come from my own personal experience. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here we are on the main page and on the main HMRC page, providing an overview regarding register for self-assessment. As I said with you before, there are different reasons why you want to register, and here are the different link based on why you are registering, you are requesting a UTR. So as I've mentioned, we're going to concentrate on self-employed people. So we will click register for employment, and we'll land on this page that is going to provide us with some more information that I'm not going to cover all in this video. But here is giving you option in case you already had a UTR before and you haven't been using it for some time. There are different steps that you need to take, which again we'll cover on different videos. Here at the bottom, it gives you the possibility to request your UTR with a paper form that you can fill in on screen and then post to HMRC instead of using the online service. To use the online service, you will need a business account. I've already created one. If you don't have one, you need to create one, and we're going to cover the step on a different video. But it's very simple. You can follow the link, and you're essentially going to be given an ID. You create a password, and that will be your credential to enter to your HMRC business account. Once you're going to have this account, you can simply follow the step that I'm going to walk you through now. So now let's click business account, and it's going to take us essentially to log in. So here we are on the main page inside our business account. This is what it looks like when no tax is associated to this account, and we're going to add a duty or a scheme now. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to take you to the very last slide of this process, of the online process, because I already had a UTR and I don't have a dummy account to show you at the moment. However, I'm going to take you to a point where it's going to be very simple to follow the last step. You're just going to provide your personal information and click send. You'll be given a reference number, at which point your request has been submitted, and now you just need to wait a letter from HMRC. So let's just look at the first step. So we choose self-assessment for individual because that's what we want to register for. Do we have a self-assessment unique taxpayer reference? No, we don't. And we press continue. Which of these best describe you? Individual and sole trader. As I said before, that's what we're going to concentrate on today. And here is asking us which tax we want to register for. Even if we just register a company, the service will be similar, and we want to tell HMRC that we have started trading. We'll be following similar steps. Here we choose self-assessment, and we press next. Now this is where I'm gonna have to stop. This is where it's gonna ask me to check my identity. That's where you're gonna provide your name, date of birth, national insurance, postcode. It's gonna verify who you are, and then it's gonna take you through a few last screen steps, which are pretty straightforward, after which you're just gonna simply submit, and you're just gonna wait for your UTR number to come to you in the post. So now I'm going to walk you through completing the online form that you then submit, that you then send via post to HMRC. So back to the main the main web page from HMRC, we go right at the bottom and we go filling in a form on screen, which is going to open here, and literally is going to walk us through step by step, just collecting some information. Once the form is complete, we can simply print it and post to HMRC at the address that is going to show us at the end of the form. Now, here is the form. Here he provides some more information, not all related to registering for self-employed, but I'm not going to go through everything, but you're more than welcome to do. We're just going to press next, and is now providing with some more information. Again, feel free to go through at your own time. I'm just going to, in the interest of time, I'm just going to click next, and here is going to start asking us some information. Let's see if you can fill in this the, I'm just putting random figures for those of you asking, and not, these are not my details, but you might be able to guess my origin. There you are. My computer is quite slow today. If you had another last name, we haven't. Yes, our address in the UK. Date you move at this address, wherever that might be. We're just gonna keep it simple. Do you live at another address? No. Daytime phone number. Again, don't try and call me on this number. Do you have a contact email address? Not at this time, but by all means, do put your email address if you do have one. Are you a UK resident? Yes, we are. Have you previously registered for self-assessment? No, we haven't. And we're just going to press next. When did you start working for yourself? Now, this is the start of when we start working for ourselves. It doesn't have to be the start when we send the first invoice out or receive the first income. It could well be that we started, a few months prior us starting invoicing, because we've incurred some costs we were setting up. Just put that date, essentially. So the first available date. For the sake of this application, I'm going to, again, keep it very simple. And I'm going to put the 1st of Jan of this year. Does your business have a name? No, doesn't necessarily have to have a name. What sort of self-employment work do you do? Uh, anything here you used to essentially tell HMRC what it is that you do. Are you a subcontractor on construction scheme? If under the construction industry scheme, if that is the case, you select yes or no. The construction industry scheme, we're going to cover it on a different video, but it's not going to apply to many of you. And it's certainly not relevant to actually get the UTR number. But if it does apply to you, you do need to select yes. If you wish to register and pay gross, you will need to complete. This is again is in relation to ACIS, so it's not applicable to our application at the moment. In fact, we're gonna put no. We are not sure fishermen. Is your business inland property? No. Are you a Lloyd's underwriter? We are not. Are you an examiner, invigilator? No. Again, if any of this applies to you, please, select the appropriate answer. Are you a minister of religion? No, I'm not. Is your business in investments? No, it's not. Is your business address the same as your home address? Yes, as it happen it is. Will you be doing all work for one person or firm? Yes. And then we click here. Next. I confirm that the information I given is correct, and we press next. What to do? Please send the complete form to HMRC. This is the address. Print this form, and here is the preview of the form that you will be printing and sending to the address that you've seen on screen just a second ago. Now bear with me. And you shall see the form. So this is the form. This is what it's going to look like. It's all pre-populated because we've already answered everything. All we need to do is to print it and to post it to HMRC, sign it, a full name, and post it to this address. And after a few weeks, you should be receiving your UTR number. Again, HMRC, the process is very simple. The main things, go to the link and follow the step that HMRC provides. HMRC also provide a lot of support over the phone should you need, or if you need to get in contact to us, by all means, we are more than happy to help you. And this is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. And if you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.